I've even seen the gun.
Project ya Green Schools ya Vision Group eyatandikiriweho hakutandika kw'omwaka ogu erimu neetibwa mu sente zirukwingana akahumbi kamwe na miliyoni rushanju omu sente za Uganda. Okutwara enkora egyo omu maisho aba Kyebambe Girls bakasharamu kukoraho club eyi bayesire Kyebambe Green School obwine ba memba barukwingana 50. Bamemba ba club egi nibo biine obujunanizibwa bw'okurundana kasasiro yoona kuruga omu mbuga z'ishomero okwenda ngu bagume bari abayonjo obwire bwona.
Eno program tugitandikire omu isomero twatandikire entamu tukafunafuna muno ebizibu ebitali b'omulingo gumu na gumu muno obutwagarukira mu isomero twarora ebicupa eveera byetoroire mu compound yaitu
turakoragana n'abana kurungi abana nibatuyamba mu kukomakoma ebicupa mu ishomero kandi kyatuyamba munonga itwe nk'abaana b'obwisiki okwikara omu environment enungi.
Project egera amara amezi 15 egenderire kumanyisa abaana b'omu mashomero omugasho gw'empindahinduka y'obwire n'okutaho emiringo mirungi ey'okukuuma eby'obuhangwa mu mashomero.
When the students are coming for assemblies, we tell them pick around anything you're seeing, and when they are leaving, then they dump these things in the different dustbins around school.
Ahansi y'enkora egi bamemba ba club egi hoona nibagenda omu ishomero ryona barikwegyesa abeegi bataahi babaha miringo mirungi ei bakubasa kukoramu kukuuma eby'obuhangwa kandi bakayonja n'ishomero ryabo.
Tukasemererwa muno kino ekitongole okukyayizire mu isomero ryaitu tukaba tutakimanyire baitu tukatwine tucha weitu omu obakweta tucha Easter Robert yaiza yakituletera obukyayizire yabanza akiteeka mu kilasi ezimu but after twamara twakora nka club mu isomero kandi club egi erengereho muno kuleeta obuyonjo mu isomero.
Oyihireho eky'okuyora kasasiro mu mbuga z'ishomero abeegi abahoona nibabyara n'emiti n'ebimuri mu mbuga z'ishomero.
Ebintu ebimu n'ebimu nibyetaaga kukoragana na sente ebintu ebimu n'ebimu bikwatiraine n'abaana banu kusanga ngu ntukozesa obwire obumu basemeriire kuba mbakozesa kusoma sometimes nosanga ngu kugenda kuraawa hindura entekereza y'omuntu akintu kukwatiraine n'obuhangwa nitutwara obwire baitu byona ntusiima Ruhanga ngu tusoboire kukambere twahika.
Kasasiro erukurundanwa neteekwa omu mwanya gumwe kandi eterezibwa na bwanyuma ebicupa bya plastic bitwarwa mu laboratory aho abashomesa b'amashomero ga science barikubikoresa okushoma za practicals.
Doctors ezikora ebintu byabo mu bicupa nkaba soda nkaba kutuletera biskuiti nkaba kutuletera bingi ebikuja pakingire mu bicupa nebikuja pakingire mu veera bafune omutima ogwo kwegomba ngu Uganda yitu neyite okolekole ekurakurani efuna ogwo mutima egaruke etabale ebicupa byabo ebyo muno ebiveera tusobora kubyocha bete ebicupa kigumire muno kubyocha.
Easter Robert orukora nka patron wa club egi nagira ngo mu kutandika project egi omu ishomero kikaba kitangwa habwo kugira ngo abeegi bingi tubarabandize kucejumbiramu.
To keep the school green.
After all, one of our core values in Kyebambe Girls is purity. So it was easy for us to emphasize it using Green Schools Uganda because it looks like we wanted nature to be one of the main ideas that we use as a learning tool.
Okumaraho ekizibu eki Robert nagira ngo bakakwatanisa n'abikiri kukwataho boona otiremu n'abakuru b'ishomero bagumire nibabahereza obushagiki bwona oburukwetengwa.
Administration yaitu nayo ekoragaine naito kurungi kurarangwa ebintu nibisoboka kandi ntongera kusiima na Vision Group habwokuba ikara niza netwenkarezinga ikara actually netuletere empapuro zirimu information nungi muno amakuru maingi muno agakwatiraine nensi eitulimu at the same time n'ebintu bikwatiraine na Green Schools Uganda.
Esther Jidudu orumukuru w'ishomero nagira ngo amashomo aguyatungire kuruga mu mashomero aguyashomiremo nicyo cyamugemeserize kuteeka omutwe omu project egi kandi akagishagika.
In my primary school we had a lot of greening around as I was growing. When I went to the secondary school, which is Gayaza High School, we had pavements taking us from one building to the other. So we kept our lawns, the ones that were green, we kept moving. And when I came to Kyebambe Girls School, I have tried to see how we can emulate that we keep the greens green.
Jidudu nagira ngo barimo nibetekateka kutimba ebyina aho baragumene barundanira kasasure yabeji barukurundana okwenda kwija kukoramwe ebindi bintu nk'ebyo kurya by'enkoko hamwe n'ebijimusa.
Like in this school, for us, we say we keep the greens green, and we wouldn't want that the greens are disturbed either by peppers being thrown or now polythene and all these other things which are not green.
Ogu nagira ngo nibenda kwija kukwatanisa n'abantu ba burijo okwenda ngo abeje bakabegesa obukori obu barimo nibega omu kukuuma eby'obuhangwa. Gasha kwa Jonathan Tusingwire.